Hello everyone, I am Naveen, BTech Mechanical Engineer. I am qualified GATE 2 times with a best score of 622, through which I have got call from several IITs like IIT Madras to pursue masters. But I have a keen interest towards teaching. That's why I have started teaching 9th to 12th grade student mathematics and enjoying this beautiful journey of teaching from last 4.5 years. So this is my brief introduction to all of you guys. So here a question for you, not a question to directly solve, but a question to closely look into the matter, what is happening over here. So a question which is given on this board is that if the roots of the equation are equal, then you have to find out a plus c, value of a plus c. The options which are given over here, option A is equal to 2b, option B is equal to b square, option C is equal to 3b, and option D obviously not. Okay, and it means we have to find out the value of a plus c in terms of b. So what is given to you? Quadratic equation, and there is a information that roots are equal. So quadratic equation having at most 2 roots, but roots are equal, and this is the nature of the roots: equal roots, real roots, or non-real roots. These all nature of the roots can be described by a property called discriminant, and that discriminant is denoted by or given by d is equals to b square minus 4ac, where a, b, c are the constant coefficient of this quadratic equation. So a is the leading coefficient, which is this, b is the coefficient of x, which is this, and c is the coefficient that is constant coefficient. But there is information that roots are equal. When roots are equal, you must put d equal to 0. You must put d equal to 0. Now b square, as I have told you, so put all those value at the place of a, b and c. So c minus a whole square minus 4 multiplied a, that is b minus c, and c at the place of c, I mean constant coefficient, you must put a minus b. Now I am transferring this expression over here. So c minus a whole square is equals to 4 b minus c a minus b. Now expand this: c square plus a square minus 2ac is equals to 4ab minus b square minus ca plus bc. I am just solving this one over here due to the lack of space, so please make a sense. 4ab minus 4b square minus 4ac plus 4bc. Now look, you have to develop the a plus c. You must know the identity of like a plus b plus c का whole square, a plus b plus c whole square. Unless you should not know the identity of those type, you can't develop a relationship like a plus c is equal to what should be it come out to be in terms of b. So I am making some algebraic arrangement. You should focus on this board. So look, c square, a square, I am just arranging the square terms at a single place, like this 4b square over here, c square plus a square plus 4b square minus 2ac plus 4ac will come out to be 2ac, and minus 4ab minus 4bc equal to 0. Look, if this would be look like at a square plus b square plus c square, then a plus b plus c का whole square, like this. I am mentioning the identity of a plus b plus c का whole square because I am just making all these expression according to the identity which is already taught to you in 9th and 10th class. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus 2 times of BC, and so on 2 times of CA. According to that, I am making this one, because here minus minus, so you had to be very particular in order to develop this type of, that type of identity relation. You have put over here minus 2 times of B square, such that if you open this bracket you will get 4B square. So now over here 2 times of AC, these two AC behave as multiplication of C and A, and this behave as 2 times of A. A is like over C and B is here A. AB and BC. So B is over here A and C is over minus 2B. Again 2 times of CA. CA means ABC, that C is minus 2B and A is C, such that you will get 2 2 4 B into C minus 4BC, 2 2 4 and BC, I'm sorry BC 4BC, because 2BC ना, तो B into C क्या हो जाएगा, A into minus 2B, here A into minus 2B. So this will plus, this can I write down like a plus, this I can write like a plus, because A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So 2A minus 2B will come out to be 2 2 4 minus 4AB, 2 2 4 minus 4BC. So now these all terms are in plus, C square plus A square plus 2 minus 2B square, like A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. you can write like it, C plus A minus 2B का whole square equal to 0. This implies C plus A minus 2B is equals to 0. This implies A plus C is equals to 2B. So you will get answer like this, but you do not need to take this type of burden by using identity, because there is some manipulation, algebraic arrangement. This cannot be possible to do arrangement in the examination, because there is a lot of pressure to handle this type of question. But by a simple observation, you just look at the coefficients of the variable, like B minus C minus A minus B. Look, whenever you will get a cyclic type of things, like cyclic things are type, like thing B minus C, again C minus A minus B. Cyclic things, I want to say that if you start it from A, come to B, then come to C, again A to B, B to C, C to A, again making repetition A to B, B to C, C to A. So this type of things are cyclic things, and cyclic things are very beautiful things. How? Look, if I am adding these all cyclic thing, B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B, then it will come out to be 0. I mean, it will vanishes. Cyclic thing always vanishes. This is the beauty of the recognizing cyclic thing. I mean, if you put, just by your objective approach, if you put x is equal to 1 over here, then what would you get? Putting x is equal to 1 in the given equation, B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B equal to 0, at the rate x is equal to 1, C A B B, I mean 0 is equal to 0. So what the information you can draw from here by putting just x is equal to 1? At x is equal to 1, this expression will become 0. It means x is equal to 1 will be the roots of this equation. As given in the question, roots are equal, then other root also will be 1. Okay, other root. So one root is alpha is equal to 1, other root will be 1 again, because it is given to you कि roots are equal. So just by using the theory of equation, what is theory of equation in quadratic equation? sum of the root and product of the root. Just use product of the roots. Alpha into beta is equals to C by A. What is C over here? A minus B. What is A over here? B minus C. And what will be the product come out to be? That is 1 into 1, that is 1. So I am writing over here due to the lack of space. So alpha beta is equal to 1 and A minus B is equal to B minus C. Now B minus C, this implies is equals to A minus B. This implies A plus C is equals to 2B. So guys, you can also find A plus C, the value of A plus C in terms of B by easily observing the cyclic nature of coefficients which are given over here. So thank you very much.